Okay, go.
What's up, everybody? It's me, Patrick of Frontline Ministries, and I'm standing right here in the parking lot of my home church, Fountain Living Water Christian Church. And we just want to invite you guys to come out and buy some fireworks. We're located right here in Indio, behind the Food for Less on the corner of Monroe and Bliss. We'll be open daily from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. So I want to invite you guys, come out, support the local church, and have a safe 4th of July. Peace and love from up above. God bless.